Hey, Brian Bean with Dream Big Property Management in Riverside, California. We help people just like you become intentional rental property investors. If you own a house and it's leased to someone, what are the rules about going on the property? Can you just walk in whenever you want, all willy-nilly? The answer is absolutely not. California law is very strict about when and how you can enter an occupied rental property. And the rule is simple. You must give your resident at least 24 hours advance written notice before entering the property. And you can only enter during normal business hours unless the resident agrees otherwise. Disclaimer, I am not an attorney. This is not intended as legal advice. We bring up this information to help raise awareness that there are laws in place on this topic. So, seek guidance from your legal advisor before taking any action. What we do know is that California requires that a rental owner or property manager give 24-hour notice to enter a home, and it must be in writing. The notice can be given directly to the resident, it can be given to an adult on the premises, or you can post it in a conspicuous place at the front door of the property. The notice must state the date, approximate time, and the purpose of the entry. By the way, 24 hours, not a best guesstimate. If you're requesting access at 10 a.m. on a Wednesday, your notice must be delivered before 10 a.m. on Tuesday. Here are some valid reasons for entry. California law allows entry for specific reasons, including to make necessary or agreed repairs or services, if you're going to show the property to a prospective buyer or tenant, a periodic or scheduled inspection, install or maintain safety devices like smoke detectors, or to address an emergency. And an emergency is the one exception to the 24-hour rule. If there's an emergency like a fire, flood, or a gas leak, and it threatens immediate damage to the property, you can enter right then without notice to address that issue. But it must be a real emergency, a genuine threat of immediate harm or damage. Beyond emergencies, you need that 24-hour notice, and the resident has the right to be present during your entry if they choose. So, what happens if you violate these rules? Well, it won't be good for you. It's potentially a crime or a civil complaint. It certainly could destroy the working relationship with that resident, and you could face fines and legal expenses. So, bottom line, always give at least 24 hours written notice, state the date, time, and purpose, only enter during normal business hours, and remember, it may be your property, but it's their home. If you have questions about how to deliver a notice, or anything related to the right and profitable way to run your rental property, call me today at 951-314-5402. I'm happy to share. You can also find valuable information on our website, dreambigpm.com. Did you find this helpful? Hey, we have more. Check it out. Punch that subscribe button. It helps others find us, and we'll alert you when new episodes are posted. Don't be accidental about your future. Be intentional to your success.